20 crazy facts about the Oldsmobile F-88 that changed Corvette history. This is going to make your big brain spin 700 times. It's 1954, and General Motors just built a car so beautiful that it made their own Corvette engineers nervous. The Oldsmobile F-88 rolled onto the stage at the General Motors Motorama in New York, and jaws hit the floor. This was Oldsmobile proving they could build a sports car that would embarrass Chevrolet's baby, the Corvette. Today we're breaking down 20 insane facts about the Oldsmobile F-88. From the political warfare that killed it to the restoration that cost millions, these stories reveal why the F-88 became the most expensive American concept car ever sold. If you're into rare automotive history, smash that like button. Number 20. The only two that exist. General Motors built exactly two F-88 cars for the 1954 Motorama. Of those two, only one survives. The other disappeared in the late 50s. General Motors has no records of what happened. The surviving F-88 sold at auction in 2010 for $3.5 million. It became the most expensive American concept car ever sold. Number 19. The Corvette platform nobody admits. The F-88 was built on a modified Corvette chassis. General Motors never acknowledged this. They wanted people to believe it was pure Oldsmobile, but engineers later confirmed the truth. The F-88 used Corvette frame rails, suspension, and wheelbase. The fiberglass body was Oldsmobile design. Underneath, the bones were pure Chevrolet. That revelation created massive political problems inside General Motors. Number 18. The rocket engine that actually flew. Under the hood sat a special Oldsmobile Rocket 5 8 engine, making 250 horsepower. 0 to 60 took less than 8 seconds. Top speed hit 130 miles per hour. These numbers embarrassed the early Corvette. Oldsmobile proved they could build a faster sports car. General Motors executives were not amused. Number 17. The name that caused confusion. The F-88 designation confused everyone. The letter F stood for fiberglass, and 88 referred to Oldsmobile's 88 model line. But Oldsmobile already had a production 88. Dealers constantly received calls from customers wanting to buy the F-88. Dealers had to explain the car was not for sale. General Motors considered changing the name, but they never did. Number 16. The Motorama tour that nearly destroyed it. The F-88 toured the Motorama circuit: Miami, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Boston, Chicago. It was loaded onto trucks and displayed in hotel ballrooms across the country. That brutal schedule caused significant damage. There were paint chips, cracked fiberglass, and severe interior wear. By the end, the F-88 looked rough. General Motors sent it back for repairs. Some body sections needed complete rebuilding. Number 15. The interior from the future. The F-88's interior featured aircraft-inspired design. Circular gauge pods looked like jet instruments, and a thin-rimmed steering wheel kept the cockpit feel. Hand-stitched leather seats with contrasting piping completed the package. This interior influenced Oldsmobile production cars for years. The aircraft theme became Oldsmobile's design language, all because of one concept car. Number 14. The designer who changed everything. Bill Lang, a young stylist on Harley Earl's team, sketched the F-88 in just 3 days. Earl saw the sketches and immediately approved development. Flowing fender lines, a low hood, and integrated headlights gave the F-88 perfect proportions. Lang later said the F-88 was the easiest design he ever created. Number 13. The fiberglass body that cracked. The F-88's fiberglass body was hand-laid in sections with varying thickness. During the Motorama tour, stress cracks appeared everywhere, at door openings, hood edges, and the trunk lid. The technology simply wasn't ready for a car this complex. General Motors learned valuable lessons that improved Corvette construction. Number 12. The chrome that cost a fortune. The F-88 featured extensive custom chrome. Every piece was hand-formed, hand-fitted, and hand-polished. No production parts existed. The chrome work alone cost over $15,000, equivalent to $150,000 today, just for chrome. The F-88 was rolling jewelry. Number 11. The headlights that disappeared. The F-88 featured integrated headlights behind a mesh grille. It was revolutionary for 1954. The hidden design created a smooth front end, but the mesh grille reduced light output dramatically. Night driving was dangerous. The headlights barely illuminated the road. Beauty trumped functionality. Number 10. The exhaust note that caused complaints. The dual exhaust exited through the rear bumper. The sound was incredible, deep, throaty, loud. During Motorama displays, the exhaust echoed through hotel ballrooms. Guests complained, hotel management complained. General Motors had to limit how often they started the engine indoors. It was just too loud for polite society. Number 9. The top that never worked right. The removable hardtop was supposed to store in the trunk, but it did not fit. The trunk was too small, so the top had to be stored separately. That defeated the entire purpose. Owners would need a garage just to carry the top. General Motors never solved this. The F-88 remained impractical. Number 8. The price nobody could afford. If the F-88 had gone into production, General Motors estimated $8,500. The average car then cost $2,000. The Corvette cost $3,000. The F-88 would have cost nearly 3 times more. Market research showed maybe 500 potential buyers, not enough to justify production. Number 7. The political war that killed it. Chevrolet executives hated the F-88. They saw it as a threat to the Corvette, and they lobbied to kill the project. Oldsmobile executives fought back. They argued the F-88 targeted wealthier buyers. The internal war raged for months. Chevrolet won, and General Motors killed the F-88 to protect the Corvette. Corporate politics murdered a masterpiece. Number 6. The disappearance that lasted decades. After Motorama ended, the surviving F-88 vanished. General Motors sold it to an unknown buyer in 1956. The car disappeared for over 40 years and collectors searched everywhere. Then in 2005, it surfaced in a private collection. The owner had kept it hidden deliberately. The automotive world went crazy. Number 5. The restoration that cost millions. When the F-88 resurfaced, it was in rough condition. A full restoration was required. The work took 3 years. Every component was rebuilt or replaced. Original parts did not exist. Everything was custom fabricated. The restoration cost over $1 million. That was more than General Motors spent developing the original car. It became the most expensive restoration in concept car history. Number 4. The auction that broke records. In 2010, the restored F-88 went to auction at Barrett-Jackson. Pre-auction estimates suggested $2 million. Bidding started at $1 million. It quickly escalated. $2 million, $2.5 million, $3 million. The hammer fell at $3.5 million. The audience erupted. It became the most expensive American concept car ever sold. That record still stands. Number 3. The influence nobody recognizes. The F-88 influenced automotive design for decades. Its integrated headlights, flowing fender lines, low hood, an aircraft-inspired interior, appeared in countless production cars. Designers studied the F-88 and copied its proportions and themes. Over time, the F-88 shaped how American sports cars looked for generations. Few people realize this. The legacy is hidden in plain sight. Number 2. The Corvette that should have been. Many historians believe the F-88 should have become the second-generation Corvette. Its design was superior, performance was better, and presence was unmatched. If General Motors had given the F-88 to Chevrolet instead of Oldsmobile, Corvette history would have changed dramatically. The F-88 represented a missed opportunity that haunts General Motors to this day. Number 1. The dream that died too soon. The Oldsmobile F-88 represented everything right about American automotive ambition: beautiful design, powerful performance, innovative construction. It showed what was possible when creativity trumped cost. But corporate politics and internal competition killed it. Only 2 were built. Only 1 survives. The F-88 proved that the most beautiful cars are often the ones that never reach production. That's why it's number 1. So, there you have it. 20 crazy facts about the Oldsmobile F-88. From the Corvette chassis nobody admits to the $3.5 million auction, the F-88 proves concept cars can become more valuable than any production model. Which fact shocked you most? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this, smash that subscribe button. Until next time, keep searching for those lost concept cars. And remember, the rarest machines are often the ones that almost were.